Hey there, dreamer. Welcome to Dream Right Go. I am your host, DWG. Let's get it. What's up to all you game devs out there? For anybody out there who has desired to create a video game, you are most likely aware of all the different ways that you can play games, whether that be physical games that you play in real life, a hybrid of physical games and computer games, or full-blown computer games or virtual games that you can experience completely on a computer device. However, most people that are interested in developing a game usually mean that they want to create a video game. Now, I've tried to create video games myself, but unfortunately, I've gotten sidetracked with a lot of different things that I wish I would not have. And some of you may have guessed that the name of my channel, Dream Right Go, that I also do write some stories.
Robot is a specialized humanoid robot built for mining crystals in caves. It features a robust metallic structure with hydraulic limbs and advanced sensors for navigating and extracting minerals with high precision.
And it's always been my hopes that I would take some of those stories and let those stories be the baseline of the games that I want to create. However, it's been like 3 years since I started this channel, and truth be told, I haven't made much progress on my own projects, which is crazy because now I'm starting to feel the sands of time slipping away, and I realize I got to get some progress going on, which led me to find a YouTube channel, DT, or DT is the person who runs that channel. And he has a video that's called the Godot Game Development Tutorials You Need to Watch. Now, this is a playlist of videos that he recommends for beginners to check out while learning game development. This gave me the idea to create my own playlist based on my own experiences and the questions that pop up in my mind while I'm trying to finally learn game dev development and create something on my own. I will be using 3 different game engines. The main one is going to be Godot, and then I will also use a fork of Godot known as Red Eye. In the future, when it's released, I'll be using another fork of Godot called Blazium. The first lecture in my playlist is a video by Madbook, and he calls this video How to Break Down Game Design in 3 Easy Steps. Now, this lecture is based off of a blog post by a person named Josh Bryce, and he calls this article The Process of Analyzing Gameplay. While watching this video, I had came across a comment that said it seems like the blog post was deleted and the user kindly provided a link to the Internet Archive. However, when I tried to use that link, it wouldn't come up for me. So I did a search for the original article and I found Josh Bryce's website, which is called GameWisdom.com, and I located the original article. The link to this article is down in the descriptions, and I would highly suggest that you check out that article and give it a read, and then check out Madbook's video that is based on that article. I've also created a document in Notion, and I'm not sure if I'm going to share it as a link or should I just post it here. I'm not quite sure. Let me know what you think down in the comments. After you read that article and watch that video, here is one of my practice analysis of one of my very favorite games called Command & Conquer 3 Tiberian Wars. Now, here's what I love about it. Let's go ahead and check out playability. For playability, I have that it is a smooth gameplay. The controls are very easy to master in a very short time. When I first picked it up, which was on the computer, it was very easy to use. And then when I picked it up later with a controller, very easy to use. The core gameplay loop is a mixture of fun game mechanics such as resource gathering, base building, unit productions, combat, and mission progression with a storyline. The long run that I love this story. It's a silly story, but it's a great sci-fi story that Command & Conquer has made for the Tiberian Wars. And after you get done with that story, you can challenge other players head-to-head battle, boom, 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 boom. And it gives the game longevity. Now, I wish that EA Games would have continued to develop and advance this, because in my opinion, Command & Conquer could have easily turned into something that's like PlanetSide 2, and where the story could have continued to grow. I think EA Games really missed out on a great opportunity. I guess just imagine like Command & Conquer being the start, and then we learn how to fly into space and we go to other planets, but we're still commanding and conquering against each other. So could you imagine Command & Conquer having this kind of like PlanetSide 2 feel to it, and then interstellar space travel, so on and so forth? I just think that they really could have gone somewhere with that. But, oh well. So let me know what you think down in the comments, and check out the documents that I have and whatever it is that you suggest. I am DWG. I'm out of here. Peace.